I honestly wasn't too sure how these were going to do, but look at this. I knew my climate is hot, humid, strong sun, and most people say crops like these struggles in conditions like this. Initially, I honestly planted them thinking, let me just try and see what happens. And over the years, I've seen them not just survive here, they actually grow and produce. So if you grow in a hot climate like me, don't always be afraid to try something people say won't work. You just might find a way to make it work for you. This is so fulfilling. Look at these beauties. Have you ever grown something that told you would not grow where you live?
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Now, look at this plant, how healthy it is. And this strawberry, I'm telling you, it is perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is a strawberry that you definitely get in stores, but guess what? It tastes is way better. So pure, organic, and sweet. Look at the leaves. Look how healthy the plant is. Plus, I am getting more strawberries on here and more blooms. I think the strawberries are loving their location right here. No, this one isn't producing, but it sure is sending out a lot of runners. And of course, I am making use of them. See, I start to spread them in my garden. Now, as I was saying about location, after the early morning sun, they generally would get some shade from these fruit trees that I have right around them. And I realized they love the soil with manure mixed inside. Also, mulching them does helps a lot because it retains moisture in the soil, not keeping them soaking wet, and also the soil is pretty much well drained. So I realized that a lot of people stay away from growing strawberries in hot climate like I am, but I'm here to help you to change that. Wow, this is like a dream come true. Oh my God, look at my bunch of grapes. This right here tells me that you have to try things for yourself and see how they work out for you. All right, so let's harvest these together. So I'm getting this one, very nice, and this one. So these can stay for another day. These look so beautiful together. Oh my, let me rest this right here. I have to get these. Wow, this is a nice photo. Do you agree? All right, so I'm going to taste this with you. I already know that the strawberries are sweet, but I'm still going to taste this nevertheless. All right, so you can see they're not big. All right, so I'm definitely going to work on that for their next production. So I've had, for those who don't know, I had a previous production in October. I got that grapevine from Blessings from the Garden, Latoya and Saraya, in the early part of 2025. I think it was in January, and it produced in late summer. I didn't get that harvest until when the hurricane passed. That was in October, yeah, thereabouts. Those were as small as these, and so I definitely want to work on that. Where the vine is now, I'm actually going to move it from there and get a fresh start in a better location. All right, so let's see what this baby is made up of. Has seeds inside. All right, so it's not sweet. So let's get that out the way. But the joy that comes with it, it is second to none. It's not sweet, it is not sour, it is, yeah, in between. They can be eaten. They can be eaten. I'm telling you, knowing that I grew them myself, they can be eaten. All right. This is one less fruit I need to buy if I just get it right. So I am going to work on getting bigger fruits and getting loads more. All right. So I'm going to take you back to there and show you exactly what I'm talking about. But this is an inspiration for me right now. And I am fired up, yeah, to get better at it. All right. So this is a container. It is actually in. It is a 3 gallon container that it is in right now. And it is actually going through the container. So I'm going to put it in a bigger one and also move it from right here. So the strawberries. I am going to taste this big juicy one with you. But before I do so, let me get this other one that I'm going to get so that I can have a record of them. All right, so yeah, nice. So there they are, close up. This is just so amazing. The feeling, like I said, it's second to none. I'm telling you. This is just teaching me that sometimes you really have to try things for yourself because what works in one place might not be exactly the same in another. And sometimes plants just surprise you. All right, so let's taste this other one and to see if what I said about the others still stands, if they are sweet. You have to be careful with these, not to squash them. I don't know why I always squash them. They're so tender. I'm so rough. Oh, Lord. Guys, sweet, fresh, so good, off the chain, everything going on for these strawberries. I kid you not. Man, I am one proud strawberries and grape mama. Oh my god. I'll leave you here. If you want to try something in your garden, you're told it cannot happen. This is a video for you to do away with that. Go for it. Whether in your garden, in life, whatever it is, go for it. You got this. I am just really excited to see how these will keep doing in my garden. If you have not yet seen this video about growing strawberries in hot climate, I will link it in the description. Go ahead and check it out. I promise you it will be beneficial to you. And for the persons who wanted to know the variety of strawberries that I am growing, unfortunately, Marie from Marie's Flowers and Garden is unsure of what variety it is, but I will be posting on my community today the type of strawberries that thrive in hot climate.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.